Servtech was started in 2000 and was originally created to design and manufacture custom electrical control panels, motor controls, logic controls, and power distribution. Our original clients were oil and gas, mining, alternative energy, and municipal entities that had a requirement for a unique solution to their specific needs. In response to this, Servtech offers the design and manufacture of prefabricated pump and metering stations and custom electrical equipment that offers our clients safety, quality in manufacturing, integrity in business, excellence in engineering and design, and customer-centric focus from start to finish. We have several core values here at Servtech. Above all, we pride ourselves on our strict adherence to safety being our number one focus, and we have an exemplary safety record to prove it. At Servtech, we hold ourselves and our employees to a high quality standard. No product leaves this facility without being tested and improved using multi-point checklists and inspection procedures. We do business the old-fashioned way, and when we make commitments and promises to our clients, we keep them. We have an exceptional team of project managers, engineers, designers, and office personnel here at Servtech, every one of whom is diligent and focused on delivering to our clients the best service we can provide. Our customers are what matter most to us. We take the time to understand your specific needs, and we strive to deliver the highest level of client satisfaction from the beginning through the end of every project. We understand the client's specific applications and requirements on a per-project basis, and we tailor a design solution that meets or exceeds those requirements. We maintain open communication and collaboration with our clients and relay our understanding of their needs by providing numerous sets of detailed drawings, submittal packages, and manufacturing schedules throughout the duration of a project. Only after we've received customer approval of drawings and submittal data, Servtech will begin the manufacturing process, which includes extensive quality control and quality assurance procedures. Upon manufacturing completion, Servtech factory tests every completed product to ensure that it meets all design criteria, safety, and functionality requirements. In addition to factory testing, Servtech offers factory-trained technicians to provide our clients with expert and efficient on-site product startup and commissions. At Servtech, we engineer and design all of our projects to meet our clients' specifications and all regulatory standards. Servtech has a UL 508A and UL NNNY listed panel shop, and we engineer, design, and manufacture unclassified Class 1 Div 1 and Class 1 Div 2 control panels on site. We also adhere to the Canadian Standards Association's regulations, and thus all of our panels are also CUL listed for service in Canada. Our staff of engineers and designers are experienced and adamant about adhering to IEEE, ANSI, ASTM, NEC, and OSHA standards and regulations in order to provide the safest possible solutions for the health, well-being, and safety of both our employees here in our facility and our clients' employees and servicemen out in the field. Servtech provides custom UL-listed programmable logic control panels that enable customers to increase return on assets by delivering a highly scalable, reliable, and controlled system. Servtech programmable logic controls are the choice when you require a reliable, flexible, and high-performance system for any industry automation, monitoring, and control application. Servtech provides custom-engineered variable frequency drive packages that are IEEE 519 harmonic compliant, provide enhanced motor and rotating equipment life, and energy cost reduction. At Servtech, we offer modular, prefabricated, factory-tested low and medium voltage power distribution centers, incorporating switchgear, motor control centers, variable frequency drives, program logic controllers, uninterruptible power supplies, lighting, climate control, and more. Our PDCs can either be delivered with an open skid design or within fully outfitted e-houses. Servtech provides fully integrated turnkey plug-and-play ready metering and pumping stations, including lease automatic custody transfer units, produced water transfer, salt water disposal, water filtration, mine dewatering, pipeline transfer, and booster pump stations. Here at Servtech, we also manufacture compressed air stations, which are made up of compressors, air dryers, receivers, filtration, and climate control within a skidded building. to provide instrument quality air and compression for a variety of industrial applications. At Servtech, we're leveraging our building manufacturing and electrical gear expertise to deliver mission-critical facilities, turnkey edge data centers ready for server installation. Servtech has a uniquely customizable skid and building system, offering our clients fully engineered and designed structural systems to fit your specific project requirements and designed to meet all applicable building codes. Our building systems provide a high level of environmental protection for specific site conditions, structural integrity, and sound attenuation for long-term durability. Servtech Inc. is a vertically integrated custom manufacturer possessing a wide range of expertise and skill for the design and manufacture of custom electrical controls, panels, and equipment, e-houses, prefabricated pumping stations, and edge data centers. The strength of our company is in its ability to provide and complete projects from skid design, buildings, pipe fabrication and welding, pumps, motors, instruments, conduits and cabling, electrical motor controllers, logic control panels, programming, and on-site commissioning and service. Our goal is to provide our clients with a detailed fit for their individual project-specific requirements, while also providing the best value, quality, and reliability possible. Call today for more information or to receive a tailored quote for your next project.